I just had a question about finding the other times that, you know, an object or a pedal or something might be at a particular height. So I thought I would just make up a quick example with some easy numbers. So let's say we have, let's say the lowest point was at 10 seconds. It's going to go up, reach its maximum height, and let's go 90 seconds. Okay, so this is the minimum height. This would be the maximum height. And in the middle is the equation of the midline. So this is your min, this is your max, this is the middle. They call it the midline, or the equation of the sinusoidal axis. Now, from here to here is your amplitude, or from here to here is your amplitude. So those numbers are the same. You just take your amplitude and you add it to the midline or subtract it to the midline. So let's say this is the question and they want to know like when is it going to be at like the same height. Okay, let's break this down. Every time you want to like know the key points, you always break it into quarters. So say if this was 10, I don't know, seconds, minutes, I don't know, whatever we're going to go with. Let's go minutes. So say if that was 10 minutes, that was 90 minutes. Then you know the maximum is going to be halfway between the two. So 80 divided by 2 is 40. So that's going to happen at 50 minutes. And then where it's going to hit these middle, you always just break it in two again. So then that would be, half of that would be at 30 and half of that would be at 70. So whatever numbers are there, whatever the numbers are, to go from like the bottom to the bottom or the top to the top or whatever, you always half it and then half it again. So all the major things happen in quarters. So let's just say we did the math and like want to know when it was at, I don't know, let's put some numbers on here. Let's say this was 5 up to, I don't know, let's just keep the numbers easy. So let's go 10, let's go 11, and then so halfway would be at 8. So it went up 3, it went down 3. Okay, let's just go with those numbers. Now, I'm just going to make up a number here, but let's say at like, you found it was at this particular height at 27 minutes. Okay, so whatever this height was, I don't know, maybe 7 meters or something like that. And you want to know what's the other time it's going to be at 7 meters. So you would see, like, there would be a whole bunch of times, like, say if this is the pedal question, when it's on its way up, and then when it's on its way down, when it's on its way up, and so on. Now, there's different ways you can do it. Personally, I like just to use symmetry. So I know the middle here, and to go from 27 to 50, so that's a difference of what, 23? So that would take me 23 minutes to get there. So to get back, it would take me another 23 minutes. So it would be, I don't get drawn to scale very good, but it would be at 73. And then if I want to do again, so that was at 50. This had a thing of 80, so that other top spot would be at 130. And if I want to go backwards, I'd have to subtract, what did I say it was? Oh, 23. So it'll be 107. Anyway, that's just a rough example. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any more questions.